Interni stands as an alliance for global design world. It is an innovative, up-to-date observatory. Interni consists of many units. Interni can leverage its value of being a well-executed design source by focusing on Interni Guide and Interni events. Interni is losing power as the moderator of Fuorisalone. 7 districts that could be united are now disconnecting from each other. Each one of the districts have their own sponsor, their own partners, and their own guide. We believe the absolute solution is to leverage Interni Guide with augmented reality technology. Augmented reality adds layers of digital information directly on top of physical items. Today, augmented reality is becoming a necessity in different fields. In the very near future, Google Glass and AR applications will be our reality. Potential AR application users include 7 million Android and 25 million iPhone owners. Augmented reality will generate $500 million in revenues, and it will reach a market size $5.3 billion in 2017. In360 is an AR application to leverage and expand the value of the Interni Guide. Implementation of the project is divided into 4 phases. At this phase, Interni will seed Interni magazine readers about In360 and excite them to download the app. Once In360 has been downloaded, users can start experiencing special content placed in Interni magazine and be informed about this new way of observing Fuorisalone 2014. In360 will be launched as a beta version in Statale to introduce this new experience. A custom-designed landmark will be placed at the entrance of Statale. Once visitors arrive at Statale, they can get an overview of exhibitions through the AR information embedded on the landmark using In360. Newly designed Interni prisms will be placed in front of each exhibition in Statale. While exploring, visitors can simply use In360 to get extensive AR information based on Interni prisms about exhibitors, exhibitions, and their sponsors. Interni prisms will also serve as gateways to virtual conferences, which visitors can view without any time and place constraints. Visitors can also use In360 to take and archive photos with Interni curated information for each piece. In360 also invites and excites users to experience Expo 2015 in advance by creating a virtual Expo scope. The whole city of Milan will be introduced to In360 during Expo 2015. Visitors will be able to use In360 to connect with each other, to map their journeys, and to experience virtual world in depth. In360 will become a virtual and a real-time engagement tool where people can comment on, share, and like exhibitions and events. In addition to this, users will be able to create their personal maps according to their interests, and In360 will help them to generate daily routes. They will also be guided through In360 with augmented reality wayfinding feature. Users will be able to discover virtual exhibitions placed in the city through In360, which will become the future way of exhibiting. In360 will expand its market by focusing on a new target segment, the publishing sector, and other international design weeks. Interni magazine will start placing AR ads, which will enable advertisers to engage customers interactively. Following this, AR content will be placed in magazine articles, allowing readers to access exclusive information through In360. This new technology will also enable Interni to reach younger generations with AR customized games in design venues. Eventually, Interni will become a service provider in this field for other international design cities with In360. To realize this project, it is necessary to divide implementation into 4 phases. In the first phase, Interni will make initial investment to realize the project. In the following years, investments will be necessary for expansion of the project. However, In360 will start generating significant amount of revenues in the following 3 phases. In360, augmenting reality of design world.